Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So I am Soy Pradhan. So in this video today I will be going to present my PowerPoint presentation on the topic difference between economic growth and development. So let's begin. Topic contains are introduction, economic growth, economic development, measures of economic development, then factors affecting economic growth in developing countries, economic without development. So first let's begin with introduction. Introduction. Economic growth means an increase in real income, national output. Economic development means an improvement in the quality of life and living standard, measures of literacy, life expectancy and healthcare. Economic growth. Economic growth measures in increase in real GDP. Real output GDP is a measure of economic income, national output and national expenditures. It basically measures the total income of total volume of goods and services produced in the economy. So, economic development. Development looks at a wider range of statistics than just GDP per capita. Development is concerned with how people are actually affected. It looks at their actual living standards and the freedom they have to enjoy a standard of living. So, what are the measures of economic development? We'll look at real income per head, GDP per capita, real levels of literacy and education standards, level of healthcare, number of doctors, 1000 populations, quality of availability of housings, level of environmental standards, living expectancy. So, measures of economic development. Measures of economic development is not as a precise as measuring GDP because it depends on what factors are included in measure. So, what are factors affecting the economic growth in developing countries? So, let's see it. Levels of infrastructure, example transport, communications, level of corruption, example what percent of tax rates are actually collected and spent on public services. Education standards are and labor productivity. Basic levels of literacy and education can determine the productivity of the workforce. Level of inward investment. For example, China has invested in many African countries to export raw materials that its economic need. Economic growth without development. It is possible to have economic growth without development and increase in GDP, but most of people don't see any actual improvement in living standards. So thank you. Hope you like this video. Like this video and share it to all your friends and subscribe to this channel. Thank you everyone. Bye.